How to customize the message options in AAAPOS RetailManager. Message options allow you to create customized messages to print on receipts, to convey extra information for customers like terms and conditions, or instructions on packing slips. You can also create and modify a sales prompt message that appears as a separate window in the sales window when any staff member enters their staff number and then presses enter. This message can be used to prompt sales staff to remind customers about a forthcoming promotion or sale. If you are running RetailManager on a network, these message options all apply globally to any workstation connected to your shopfront. To create and modify a message, go to the Setup menu and choose Options. The Options window appears. Select Message. The message window appears. Select the message that you want to create or modify from the Select Message to Edit list. A number of message lines are enabled, depending on the message type you select. Type the text of the message in the text area below the selected message. Select Apply and OK to commit the information. Select OK to the information message.